Hello everyone, today we'll be doing the CPT June 2018 question paper. We'll be doing questions from the quantitative section. Today we'll be doing question number 69. We'll be starting off with question number 69 today. So now in question number 69 it has been said that if 12C5 plus 2 into 12C4 plus 12C3 is equal to 14CX, then X is equal to option A 3 or 5, option B 5 or 9, option C 7 or 1, option D 9 or 12. Now the process that many of us will be following is that we'll try to break it down and then find out, solve it, and then we'll find out the value of X. But there is an easy way. If we look at the options clearly, then you can find out that there is a very easy way to solve it. The concept associated is that now 14CX, what does it mean? This means that we have factorial 14 by factorial x by 14 minus x. Okay, so now if we write this 14 minus x is equal to a something, we can take it as a, then we can write it factorial 14 by factorial x by factorial a. So that depends that this 14cx will have the same value that this we can also, this entire thing we can also write it down as 14ca, where we can write down as, since we have taken that 14 minus x is equal to a, so that implies that we can write x as 14 minus a. So this thing we could have written down as factorial 14 by factorial 14 minus a by factorial a, which is nothing but 14ca. So 14cx is equal to 14ca provided x plus a is equal to 14. This statement can give us that x plus a is equal to 14. So if if we have 14c1, then 14c1 will be equal to 14c13, 14c7 will be equal to 14c7, obviously 14c7 is equal to 14c7, we have 14c6 will be equal to 14c8, and so on. So now you can see over here, so we have basically two values of x. So basically we can say that there are two values of x for which 14cx is equal. So, and that is possible only when the two values of x add up to give us 14. Okay, this is the format. So therefore, as you can see in the options, if we add 5 and 9, then 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. But in the other option, 3 plus 5 is 8, 7 plus 1 is 8, and 9 plus 12 is basically we have 21. So this is another thing not to be considered. But only if we have 5 plus 9, then we have 14. So only option that we can get that can be correct is 5 or 9, which is the option B. So option B over here is the correct option. This is a very short process to solve it. Conceptually you can solve it. Had there been another option like 7 or 7, basically 8 or 6, in that case you would have to solve the entire sequence and then find out the requisite value of x. But since there is no other value satisfy that criteria, so we can easily assume that 5 or 9, option B is the correct option. So this is how you solve question number 69. Now let us move on to the next question. The next question is fairly straightforward. In this question, which is question number 70, it has been said that we need to find out the number of ways in which a man can invite one or more of his 7 friends to dinner. The options are 64, 128, 710, 27 and 63. So therefore we can say that the number of ways, so basically he can invite one or more friends. So basically he can invite 1 friend or 2 friend or 3 friend or 4 friend, 5 friend, 6 friend, or even all of his friends, that is 7 friends. So if we has to invite 1 friend from his 7 friends, so basically the number of ways will be 7c1. And if he has to invite 2 friends, it will be 7c2. If 3 friends, then 7c3. Then 7c4 for 4 friends. For 5 friends, he has 7c5. For 6 friends, 7c6. And for 7 friends, he has 7c7. So now 7c1 will be basically 7. Then 7c2 will be basically 7 into 6, 42, 42 by 2. You have 21 over here. And 7c3 will be again equal to, 7c3 will be equal to, we have 7 into 6 into 5, and then you have 3 into 2. So it will be 35. Now 7c3 and 7c4 are equal, since I already mentioned. So this will be 35, and then you have 21, then you have 7, and 7c7 The only way that he can invite all of his friends, all of the 7 friends, is in one way. So this will be equal to basically 14 plus 42 plus 70 plus 1, and this will be equal to 127, which is the option C. So option C over here is the correct option. We will be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, thank you very much for watching this video.